Hello everyone, I welcome you in my class and today I am going to tell you how to calculate the total cost and the grand total of the given items. Now let's start with this worksheet. Okay, this is a worksheet where you have to calculate today total cost and the grand total. First of all, I want to tell you here that when you will give the formula, always you have to use the column name like A, B, C, D, E, F like this. And you have to use the computer's row number. I have told you in the previous video also, you will not use the serial number. You have to use what? This first row numbers, which is the row number of computers. So I think you are clear now. We are going to start here how to calculate the total cost. If you will buy 7 copies on the rate of 75, how much you have to pay? Like that. If you will buy 7 books on the rate of 250, how much you have to buy? You have to pay. Like that. If you will buy 10 pencils on the rate of 8, how much you have to pay? Eraser, compass. So you have to find out the total cost of this one. In maths, directly you can do 7 into 75, then you can get the answer. But here you will not use the numbers. For this data, you have to use the column name and row number. So now start, you can write formula here either in formula bar as you wish. So first of all, you click here on the column of total, then you will click on formula bar and you will start with equal to sign. Then you have to multiply 7 into 75. So you will give the column name and row number here. This 7, its cell address is column name 7, row number 2. So you will do C2, then into, then 75. What is the cell address of the 75? Column name D, row number 2. So you will do D2, enter. 525 we have to pay. Okay, then for book, if you will buy 7 books on the rate of 250, how do you give the formula here? You can do equals to, what is the cell address of the 7? Column name C and row number 3. So you will do C3 into D3 enter. So 1750 you have to pay. Like this you can give. Like third one, you can do if you buy 10 pencils on the rate of 8, how much you have to buy? How much you have to pay? Then you will do equals to what is the sale address of this 10? That is C and row number 4. You will do C4 into what is the cell address of this 8? D and 4, you will do D4. Enter. Now eraser, if you will buy eraser, 6 eraser on the rate of 5, how much you have to pay? You will do here, you will give a formula that is, what is the cell address of this one? 6 go. 6 C and row number 5 into, then 5 go. Column name is D, row number 5. Enter. 30 rupees you have to pay. Like that, if you will buy 8 compass on the rate of 7, how much you have to pay? You will do equal to sign, then sale address of 8. What is the sale address of 8? That is column name C and row number 6. You will do C6 into, then 7. This what is the cell address of the 7? That is D, column name D and row number 6. D and 6. Enter. 56. You got everyone here how to do this one? Okay. So you can do you can calculate total cost by doing this one. Once again, I'm going to show you how to use the fill handler. Fill handler was you will not give any formula after getting one calculated output. You will click here, sorry. You will click here, then drag it. Yes. In computer, you can do by using fill handle, but in copy, you have to give the formula one by one. Eh? Like equals to B2 into C2, then C3 into D3, then equals to C4 into D4, like this you have to do. Eh? Okay, then what is left here? You have to calculate the grand total of 5 to 5, 1750, 80, 30, 56. This you have to calculate. How much you have to pay in a shop. So for grand total, you can do by using a shortcut method. Either you can use long method. If you use a long method, you can do what is the cell address of the 5 to 5? You can do equals to 5 to 5. Oh, what is the cell address of this one? E and 2. You will do E2, sorry, E2 plus 1750. What is the cell address? This one. E3, E3 plus. What is the cell address of this 80? That is E4, E4 plus. What is the cell address of this 30? E5, E5 plus. What is the cell address of this 56? Column name E and row number 6. So you will do E6. Enter. 2,441 you have to pay. By this way, you can find out the grand total. You can use function also. Sum function. How do you use? You will use sum function. No, you will do sum sum bracket first cell address and the last cell address only you have to use. So what is the cell address of this 5 to 5? That is E and 2. E2 colon last cell address of this one 56. 56 cell address is E column and row number 6. We will do here 6 bracket close. Same amount you got. So by this way, you can find out the total cost and the grand total. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.